In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a formula down a column without changing references in Google Sheets on desktop. This is perfect when you want every row to use the exact same cells in a calculation, like a constant rate or a fixed lookup value, without Google Sheets automatically shifting those cell references as you copy the formula down. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop so you can see the worksheet you're working with. Then, click into the first cell of the column where you want your results to appear and enter your formula there. This top cell is important because it sets the pattern for everything that follows. Before you press Enter, make sure to use absolute references for any cells that must stay fixed. Absolute references are created by adding a $ before the column letter and the row number. For example, if you always want to multiply by the values in A2 and B2, no matter how far down you copy, type your formula like this. A2 B2. Those $ tell Google Sheets not to adjust those references when the formula is filled to other rows. Without the $, you'd get A3 and B3 on the next row, A4 and B4 after that, and so on, which isn't what we want in this case. Once your formula looks correct with the $ in place, press Enter to apply it to that first cell. You should see the result appear immediately. Now, to copy it down the column, click the cell you just filled. Look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and hold that square, then drag it down through as many rows as you need. As you drag, Google Sheets will populate the cells below with the same formula. Because you used absolute references, the parts of the formula with $ will not change in any of the copied cells. Each row will point to the exact same locked cells you specified. If you glance at a few cells below, you'll notice the formula still shows A2 and B2, where you've added the $, which confirms everything is locked correctly. If you ever need only part of a reference locked, you can add a $ to just the column or just the row, but when you want nothing to change, use it on both. And that's how you copy a formula down a column without changing references in Google Sheets on desktop.